Hi there, welcome to this quick tutorial on Perfect Recall, a PowerPoint game from Tutor to You. Okay, so Perfect Recall is an engaging technique aimed at testing knowledge recall. Students are presented with 9 questions on a worksheet and 9 answers on screen, and they have to match the 2. Okay, on screen is slide 3 of the PowerPoint resource. This is the slide that you print off, one for each student. Hand it out to them and there are the questions available. I'll show you how to edit this a little bit later. So they're going to look at these questions and then compare them to possible answers that you're going to show on screen and then try and match the 2. Okay, back to the main screen. Your students have got their worksheet and now you're going to present them with the 9 possible answers. So let's put those up on screen as well. Here we go. There are the 9 possible answers. So in their blank boxes next to each question, they're going to fill out which of those answers they think applies to the individual questions. You can decide as the teacher how long you give them, but it's meant to be a relatively quick exercise. Okay then, after the appropriate amount of time you can start to go through the answers. Now as we click through, mouse click or spacebar, what will happen is little numbers will appear next to the boxes and they correspond to the questions that are on the students' sheets. So 43.9 for example is the answer to question number 7, 8.2 the answer to question number 3, and so on. And that way you can go through all of the answers, fielding any questions as you go along. Okay, last thing to show you then. This is slide 4 of the resource, and here is the table that you can edit so that the questions are as you want them to be. So filling in your question in this column here and then the answers for them in this column here. Once you've done that, if you click on this button at the top, it'll randomly place them amongst the Perfect Recall grid. I hope you enjoy Perfect Recall.